losing them tragically, we're losing them needlessly. And gun violence and crime hurt all New Yorkers. We talk about getting New York back post-COVID. I'll tell you something. It's a different world. You're not going to...
We have just completed an executive session of the Judiciary Committee to discuss the committee's ongoing impeachment investigation of Governor Cuomo. As I stated in my opening remarks before we went into executive session, the committee is closely reviewing the findings of the Attorney General's detailed report. At the same time, the Assembly's outside counsel, Davis Polk, is continuing to conduct its own thorough, independent, and expeditious investigation. This investigation by Davis Polk covers the allegations of sexual misconduct and related retaliation documented in the Attorney General's report. It also covers other allegations, including allegations that the governor improperly used state resources to write and produce a book, American Crisis, Leadership Lessons from the COVID-19 Pandemic, and that's quote unquote, allegations concerning COVID-19 and nursing homes, allegations that he provided for preferential access to COVID-19 testing to certain friends and or family members. We may very well have the authority to do that, and I wouldn't discount that for a moment. But the end result would be, because he's already out of office, and impeachment itself is going to be moot. It's not going to be meaningful, but there would be the opportunity in the court of impeachment to prohibit him from ever again occupying statewide office.